2017 Ram 1500, 5.7 liter HEMI. What we got done on it for you guys? Got factory converters there and there. Then it's 2 1/4 pipe into 3-inch pipe from the factory. And then what we did is put a 3-inch pipe instead of the muffler. I don't know where the muffler went, somewhere. I think he tossed it. And then continued that 3-inch pipe back out. There's a resonator right there. He didn't want it too loud, so we didn't cut the resonator off. He's gonna try it out for a while and see. We usually if you want it about 50% louder, you just do a muffler delete. And then if you want it another 20%, you take the resonator off. And there's that muffler right there. It's huge. Anyways, so it's a Ram 1500, 5.7 liter. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Perfect. Yeah. You can take the resonator off next. It'll be another 30% louder if you decide to do that. But drive it for a week or two and see how you like it. I personally like it like that. Sound decibels, go ahead. 107. That's what it sounds like with a muffler delete. Dodge Ram. Not Dodge, Ram 1500. Did you leave me the key? Okay. That sounds really good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. HEMI, HEMI, HEMI. There's the idle on it.